In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily preserve the last Apple ProRes settings on your iPhone's camera. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, I'm gonna show you how to turn on or off Apple ProRes when we are on a camera app. So guys, once you have camera app opened on your device and once you switched your camera to video mode, right over here at the top left corner you can easily find that ProRes button, by tapping on which we can enable Apple ProRes on our camera, because by default it is always turned off. To enable it, I'm gonna tap on it. Now that icon is no longer crossed out, it means that ProRes mode is currently activated. So now we can tap at record button to record videos in Apple ProRes. However, the problem here is that when we close camera app and when we open it up again after a while, we can find that ProRes mode is turned off again, and we need to tap at the same icon to turn it back on each time. But now let me show you how we can preserve the last Apple ProRes settings on our camera app. To do that, we need to head over to settings. Then we need to scroll down and get into camera settings. We'll be taken to that screen where we need to get into preserve settings. And that's where we can easily find Apple ProRes feature. When we turn it on, it will preserve the Apple ProRes setting rather than automatically reset it. Basically guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.